is it possible na yung mga taong may root access can edit? Yung sinasabi nga niya, once na lumabas yung mga games, agad-agad automatic, magsasabing may winner o wala. Itong through the root access, may root access, palitan natin, palabasin natin na may nanalo. Hindi nyo ginawa yon. Wala akong binibintang. Possible or not?
Possible po.
Thank you. I rest my case. Yes. Sino-sino po yung mga tao may root access sa inyo? Who are they? Meron ba tayong ano rito? IT expert? ComSec? Do we have an invited IT expert? Baka pwede natin paupo yung IT expert para... No, I want an independent kasi sa ano siya sa Iloto Games eh. Hindi, dapat third party IT expert. Walang kinalaman sa PCSO, walang kinalaman sa Pacific. DICT? Okay, very good. Para magsabi kung totoo ba itong mga itong concern, kung meron bang basis itong concern na maraming mga mananay sa loto. Okay. You're there and you've been listening kanina pa.
Good morning, Mr. Chair.
Good morning to you. And state your name, please, ma'am.
I'm Attorney Hazel Bianca Ortega from
Attorney.
the DICT.
Okay, pwede natin lagyan ng pangalan. Si ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Chair, first we apologize because right now we don't have any technical experts that focuses on online games as of the moment. However, we can commit to submit our position paper upon gathering all the information that we could discuss in this platform, most especially in coordination with other representatives with other government agencies also. Mr. Chair, thank you.
Attorney Ortega. Okay, Mr. Robles and Mr. Acua, Chairman ng PCSO. So, nandun na po tayo sa 2060 million. Ang sinasabi ng ilan, merong kayong plinanta na tao para tayaan ang lahat ng possible combinations. Ginawa yun yun, 280 million ang ginastos. Minus dun sa 640, may ganansya pang 360. Paano gagawin yon? 14 million combinations. Napakatagal yon. Kung tutuusin. DICT, you're still following? Now, ang sinasabi ngayon nila, possible naman daw yon. Especially, itong 649 ay pinalunan sa online. Pwedeng manipulahin yung machine na para magkaroon na automatic sequence betting na in a matter of minutes or hours kaya nang matayaan ang lahat ng numero. You follow me, DICT? So is that something,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
pag sa'yo lang, is that possible?
Mr. Chair, as far as we understand the intricacies of the system with respect to online gaming and specifically for Lotto games are very unique and different from one another. That's why we really need to also cooperate. We also really need the cooperation of other government agencies for us to understand how their system works and compare it vice versa with what we know right now in our department, Mr. Chair.
What's your reaction, Mr. Robles?
Your concern, Mr. Chair, is very valid. We understand that you really wanted to get at the bottom of this, but kami po ay tumataya. Ang laro po namin ay you have to bet it actually. Yung system betting which is actually with the Iloto is actually only for 6 days yung advance nila. Ano po? So we don't know of yung sinasabi yung ganyan po karaming massive voting. Hindi ko po alam paano po gagawin yon. And to begin with po, we would like to assure you that you can never manipulate it. Kaya nga po allowed kami mag-bet, Mr. Chair. Even I can bet because it's beyond me, Mr. Chairman. Even if we wanted to, with the system we have po, we cannot. Kaya I take exception na kayang panalunin, no? Definitely, marami pong tataya pag malaki ang jackpot. Yun po naman ang objective namin. So really bring in the bettors. No, because if mamanipulahin yan, kung kaya pong manipulatin yan, Your Honor, I don't think you had to bet more. Kasi kung ang premise natin ay mamanipulate, I think just 20 pesos will be enough.
Okay. Mr. Chair, Mr. General Manager, you're hearing me but you're not listening. Wala akong sinasabi na mamanipulahin yung game. There's no manipulation actually, kung tutusin. What I'm trying to say here is, tatayaan lahat ng possible combinations. Again, DICT, tatayaan yung 14 million combinations. Sabi mo kasi may 6 days.
Yung advanced betting
Advanced?
po yan,
Okay.
advanced betting. Mr. Chair, if I may.
Sir, let me finish. Tatayaan po lahat na itong 14 million combinations. How would that happen? Kasi kung 14 million, hindi naman pwede isang tao taya dito, taya doon, taya doon. Magulo at impossible. Pero pwedeng gawin ng isang tao lang at merong siyang kasabwat sa Pacific online. Kasi di ba yung 649, it was one through Iloto. Tama?
Hindi po, sa ano po yan, sa stand-alone po yung over the counter.
Sige, okay pa rin ako dyan, kahit na stand-alone. Okay, ngayon, tatayaan lahat ng possible combinations. In matters of days, not days, in matters of hours, may konting adjustment doon sa machine para matayaan lahat ng combinations. Sa PCSO, pwedeng magkaroon, not in PCSO, sa isang bodega dyan, 10 machine, walang gagawin, every second, every minute, every hour, kundi magge-generate ng taya hanggang sa makover na yung 14 million combinations in a matter of hours. After 24 hours, bingo, 10 machines, natayaan na yung 14 million combinations. That is the reason why nagkaroon ng duda yung pagdadagdag. Kaya nga, I'm here to tell you, I will stop that practice ninyo na mag-augment from the prize fund.
Mr. Chair, our records will show.
Augment sa jackpot coming from the prize reserve fund. So, you follow me, Mr. Robles?
But Mr. Chair, if I may, betting po on all combinations is a right of anybody. Kung it doesn't guarantee anything po. Kung assuming somebody betted on all the combinations, which is allowed naman po, if you can, it doesn't even guarantee you that you will get the jackpot by yourself. No?
Yes.
Paring 2 kayo, 3 kayo,
Yes.
4 po. That's number 1. Number 2, our record shows na hindi naman po binetan po ang lahat ng combinations on the day po ng tinamaan.
So, you can show us that record
Opo.
na
Opo.
hindi tinayaan
Hindi
lahat.
po.
Kasi yun ang concern ng mga
Opo.
bettors.
Hindi po natayaan.
And you will also show us, hindi lamang sa 649, so sa lahat ng games.
Opo.
642, 645, 649, 655, and 658.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes,
Kasi yun ang concern ng mga
Opo,
bettors.
opo.
So show us the records na hindi lahat ng combinations ay tinayaan.
Opo.
Kasi pag lumitaw na lahat ng combination ay tinayaan para manalo, then doon nagkaroon ng house show kung tawagin.
Well, sabi ko nga po, to
Hindi lang
be-
sir, kailangan lang sagutin mo lang. I need a record
Opo, we'll give you po now if
sa
if you
lahat
want
ng
po.
panalo, hindi tinayaan ang lahat ng combinations.
Opo.
Okay. Now, isa pa, dito sa nakausap ko na IT experts. Sample, tataya sa Novaliches ng numerong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then, alam niyo po yung root, kung tawagin? Root access.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman, may I refer you to...
Sino bang IT expert niyo? Root access sa computer.
Yeah,
Do you know what I'm
is-
saying? If you're really an expert sa IT, if you're really an IT expert, you should know what is the root access means. Okay. So, nagkakaintindihan tayo. At least meron isa dito na nakaintindi. So, tataya ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sabihin natin sa Novaliches. And then, after matayaan nyo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pupunta ngayon doon sa main computer system na may root access, yung taong may root access, na pagkatapos ng draw na 9 o'clock, lumabas 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Napapalo nyo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So lumabas yung 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na yan ha, nitong si Juan. So yung merong root access, papalitan niya sa computer yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na tinayaan. Kahit na ito'y tinaya sa outlet. Gagawin niyang 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same serial number, same everything, except yung papalitan niya is the numero. Kasi nga, sa outlet, wala namang resibo. Right? May resibo pa from the Pulay? Wala, di ba?
Meron po. May tickets.
Okay. Pero sa Lotto outlet, may resibo. Pero sa iLotto, wala.
Meron din po, electronic.
Yeah, it's a QR out, but no,
Okay.
no.
Pero
Electronic.
where do you keep those receipts?
There is,
So meron kayong receipt sa lahat ng taya?
you mean the physical lotto?
Yes. Kayo na sa outlet.
Yeah.
So alam mo, may
we can
tumaya
trace.
sa inyo.
Yeah, we
Meron
have
kayong resibo? Na sa resibo ng taya, ibig sabihin yung tumaya.
we know.
Yung numerong tinayaan.
Actually, we know po the the computer itself of the provider has the number. That's why they know kung nanalo sa outlet.
No,
namin.
what I'm trying to say, Ms. Javier, ng National
Sorry po.
President ng Pulaay, pakisabi mo na anong isa ng Pulaay, ma'am?
Philippine Online Lottery Agents Association, Inc.
Very good. Ang ibig sabihin, kapag halimbawa ang isang tao tumaya doon sa machine ninyo, sa outlet, di ba? Okay, nabigyan siya ng ticket niya. Meron din ba kayong physical receipt doon sa numero mga tinayaan niya with serial number?
Wala po.
Okay. So, wala. Siyempre, yung receipt na sinasabi niya na meron, yun yung receipt na napupunta
Yes po.
sa better.
Yes, Chair.
Pero
Mr. Chair.
walang naiiwang resibo sa inyo para malaman nyo physical evidence na yung tinayaan ng better kung ano yon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Still follow me. Kaya nga, yun ang sinasabi ko. So, yung may root access na tao, papalitan niya ngayon yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at gagawin niyang 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? And then, yung serial number stays and all. Pagkatapos niyan, ng magmanipula, magkakaroon na siya ngayon ng ticket na 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 from a machine na nakatago somewhere. Well, of course, you're gonna say, no, I'm not asking you, ma'am. Sorry, I'm not asking you. I'm asking the yung IT na merong alam sa root access, and then of course the DICT. Please don't answer if I'm not addressing to you. Please don't answer, please. At wag po kayong iling-iling, please. Just stay calm and composed, okay? Ma'am Cireles.
Yes po, Mr. Chair, good morning po. That cannot be done po, na we will be inserting or changing the bets that is to a winning number doon po. Kasi po, we have established procedure that is ISO certified, and after a when we draw the balls po, the winning numbers, and then that will be inputted into our system. And that's the time po na ma-generate kung meron pong winner or wala. So, and then that will be validated again to another system that should match the result of the production system, which is the current lottery system online. And then we have the backup system where we will produce the result of the draw that will match the production and the backup.
I understand. I see where you're coming from. But what I'm saying is, yun ay kayang palitan kung sino man yung taong may root access. Sino-sino po yung mga taong may root access sa inyo? Who are they? Give me the names.
The root, the
Di ba
super,
dapat dalawa yan? Merong isang tao tapos merong isa na nakatago dapat sa safe.
yes po.
Okay.
That
Now,
is,
give me the names of the person na merong root access because I need to check his credibility.
Apo, that is the GM po. And
GM.
sorry.
So, si GM ang may root access?
Apo, our GM po, he has the super user account po and the administrator account. And I think, Sir Ernel, you have or another. Yes, admin. And Sir AJM Casas, which is,
So marami merong hawak sa root access?
we have two po.
Two. So, si GM, sino yung pangalawa?
Si Sir Arnel po, because he's the Assistant General for the gaming
Arnel
sector.
Casas. Okay. So, si Arnel Casas is, Mr. Casas is the AGM. Okay. So, dalawa. Di ba dapat meron pa isa nasa sa vault yan dapat? O wala na, dalawa lang.
Dalawa.
Now, my question to you, DICT, is it possible na yung mga taong may root access can edit, yung sinasabi nga niya, once na lumabas yung mga games, agad-agad automatic, magsasabing may winner o wala.
Mr. Chair, sorry, but we shall verify such information with our principals and technical experts. Accordingly, we shall integrate the same in our position paper, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So that will be on our next hearing, gusto ko po magpalabas kayo ng inyong opinion. Ito po ay sabi ng mga nakausap pong tao. So ang sinasabi ngayon ng nakakaintindi sa root access, it is not being done. It's different na it's not being done and it is impossible. Pwedeng, hindi nyo ginagawa. I'm not saying na ginagawa nyo. So hindi nyo ginagawa pero pwedeng gawin kung gugustuhin. Is that a correct statement from me? Kung gugustuhin, kaya. Pero hindi nyo ginagawa
Opo, with the safeguards po, that is not possible.
with the safeguards. And what are those safeguards?
That is po, we immediately, like what I have said po kanina, we have the production system, the one yung pong ginagamit natin and the backup. So we immediately match the result of that so that we will establish that there's no insertion or
So, kaya nga,
whatever.
who is that person na who's doing the matching, sabi mo?
The matching po, the data security.
Data security?
Opo,
And who is that person?
It's a team po.
Team. And who's the team
Headed
leader?
by po with Ralavin.
Data security.
Opo, Data
Mind
Security
you,
Division.
Let me tell you a brief story. There's the biggest scandal in the US na kung saan yung chip security, data security nila nagmanipula ng lotto game at nakulong.
But he
So
is
you said
not,
data security.
Opo.
Hindi ko pinagbibintangan itong taon to. Pero nabasa mo yon yung scandal sa US, lotto scandal sa US? Si, is that Lipton? Tipton. Siya yung data security chief. Pumasok siya sa computer system. This is an online game. Minanipula niya. Okay. Sinasabi ko lang yun. Hindi na pangdagdag information. So, the data security,
Yes. There are
And?
representatives also from the Internal Audit Service Department.
which is part of the PCSO.
Yes po.
Okay.
And then,
Walang tagalabas.
meron po, the COA, Commission on Audit po, Mr. Chair.
Kasama nanonood.
Yes po. They are part of...
No, pag yung nanalo na yung numero and then sinisiguro na yung numerong nanalo ay tinitingnan, gumagawa ng matching whether on that particular game somebody won or did not win. Nandun yung COA?
Yes, part of the audit po, sir.
Hindi, kasi binanggit mo yung COA. Okay ako sa... gusto ko dapat nandun yung COA kasi kung kayo sa PCSO, may pagdududa pa rin sa taong bayan. So, dapat may independent. So, meron taga-COA. And who is that from COA? Nandun ba talaga mismo yung COA physically present?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. They're always there po. For
They are. So, ibig sabihin maraming taga-COA.
Yes po, they are also a group or a team po.
They are there as a team?
Yes po, there are representatives po for every draw to audit the
Same
draw
representative
process po.
all the time?
They're on a shifting or rotation schedule.
Mga ilan?
How many sa ko? Maybe 12 to 15 po.
So, 12. Alam mo kung ba't ko tinatanong ito lahat? Para masatisfy. Itong lahat ng katanungan ko, galing to, hindi to gawa-gawa ko lang.
Yes po, Mr.
Ito'y galing sa mga nakakausap ko na nagdududa. Kaya dapat masagot ito ng tama dahil kapag hindi nyo nasagot ng tama, yung pagdududa hindi mawawala. So we're here to make sure na maalis yung pagdududa sa isip ng mga tao.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, ngayon, merong taga-COA. Sure ka. And I need a record and a CCTV. Dapat yan hindi pwedeng sa kwarto kayo-kayo lang. Dapat may CCTV recorded and all yung ginagawa. Napapalo ba yan?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
How is it being done?
Opo, it is written in our ISO certified process po that this procedure should be done and participated by
Well, it
these
should be done.
representatives.
Madali yan sabihin, should be done. But is it being done?
Yes po, Mr.
And you have proof that it is being done properly, which is paano? Sa isang room?
Yes po, in a room po where the machine or the equipment is there.
Okay?
And then it is recorded po. And then there's a CCTV din po on that room.
Okay? Na para sinasabi na may nanalo or walang nanalo.
Yes po. And they attach their signatures on that report.
Okay. Pero just the same, kayo ang nakakaalam nga noon na may nanalo, wala. Pero kami sa public, we don't know yet. Until na kayo mag-release ng inyong statements sa PCSO. Now, halimbawa na lang, ito yung wild imaginations from the bettors. Nagsabwatan lahat. Halimbawa na lang. So, yung may root access, kaya pa rin manipulahin yon. Nag-usap-usap lahat, mga chief, mga bossing, mga friendship, tahimik na kayo dyan. Papalitan natin itong through the root access, may root access, palitan natin, palabasin natin na may nanalo. Hindi nyo ginawa yon. Wala akong binibintang. Possible or not?
Possible po.
Thank you. I rest my case.
Mr.
Yes,
Chair,
Mr. Robles.
if I may, I understand po yung sinasabi niyo, yung meron ng nanalo, tapos hahabulin nila ng panalo. Ganun po ba ang from a system? I would just like to inform the committee that we had the say, ako po, when I came, yun din po ang una kong tinignan. But ang practice po is at 8:30, cut off na po. All bets are separated in a flash drive. Standalone po yun, it's not online. So, hiwalay na po yun. So, for that alone, hindi na po pwedeng ma-insert yun. May standalone po na computer. In fact, pag nanonood po ang mga tao sa amin, almost real time po ang pagpasok ng bola dun sa standalone na yun. So, I don't think it's possible kasi hindi na ho online yun Nasa drive na yun Kaya kami po sa group namin, nauuna po kaming malaman because almost simultaneous po, paglabas ng number, pindot siya. Almost simultaneous po. So, wag ko kayo mag-alala, there's no way mape-penetrate nila dahil nakihiwalay na po yung lahat ng bets na pumasok. Hindi na po pwedeng dagdagan yon. At our cut-off, kaya po 8:30 kami, cut-off na po yun. At 9 o'clock, draw na po. But there's a 30-minute yan na hindi na po pwedeng pasukan ng bets. Kahit po gustuhin, even online, hindi na po nila may papasok.
Dahil ano po, Mr. Robles, dahil
Kasi po, nakaya stand-alone na po yan, kumbaga naka-separate na po
and that's
ito.
computer.
Yung flash drive po,
Flash drive.
doon na po lahat ng
Let me
bet.
remind you, Mr. Robles, I'm not an IT expert. Okay, hindi ako nagmamagalingan. Pero lahat ng computer kayang i-corrupt.
Well,
In fact, the best computer, the most secured computer, even sa Pentagon na computer, supposed to be the most safest and guarded computer on this planet, ay na-corrupt o na-penetrate ng isang hacker. So don't tell me, yung computer ninyo na sinasabi mo drive, hindi kayo makorrupt
na,
yan.
I'm just saying, Your Honor, that that is the process that we have. Kaya, para
I
palengko,
understand, Mr.
mahirap.
Robles. Yes. I'm not saying na nandaraya kayo. Pero it's possible, tulad nga sinabi ni, anong pangalan niyo po, madam? Ma'am May. So, lahat ng computer, as long as it's a computer, kaya makurap yan, kaya maihack. Yun yung aking pinopoint out.